Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm just gonna say this, my face is so bad right now. It's that time of the month and I really can't control it. But it's fine, it's normal, and my skin isn't perfect. But it is currently Saturday morning, it's July 1st. But I'm vlogging today, it's gonna be a busy day. First things first, I'm going to my old high school to do some, I'm going to work out. But as you guys know, every week, my cheer team, we have like summer workout training, and I need like the turf for this week's workout. So I'm bringing my mom with me, but I'm waiting for her. Of course, I think she's like, I don't know what she's doing. But yeah, that's first things first on agenda, going to work out, and then I don't really know what the rest of the day holds. Definitely need to pack because I'm leaving for Bama in a couple days. Not even a couple days. I'm leaving not tomorrow, but the next day. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Look at this fit. I'm sorry. This top is from Gilly Hicks, and it's like so comfortable. I am obsessed with it. And then I'm just wearing Lulu bottoms. And yeah, while I wait for my mom, I'm gonna blast music and get me hyped up for this conditioning that I'm about to do. Oh, someone left their headphones. It is so weird being here. I literally was here yesterday working out, but like, it's just weird. Like, I literally went to school here, and now I'm gonna be a junior in college. That's weird. Also, a little backstory. My mom is like crazy when it comes to like coaching and like working out. I feel like you guys would know that. I mean, maybe you're new. Maybe this is like the first time you've watched my YouTube channel, but she's like literally insane. If like everyone knew, she would do so many different things like for our team, but she always made us run bleachers. Like, let's say someone was like 8 minutes late to practice, she would make us run 8 bleachers. She did crazy stuff even when I wasn't on the team, but I mean, I guess it worked. Mom.
Look at Allie in Paris.
I know. Can we do like a little warm up though?
Yeah. Want to do a mile warm up?
Yeah.
And then bleachers? Or bleachers in the mile?
No, let's do bleachers after.
Yeah.
I also have to do this 20-minute thing, but I can do that at home too.
Fine, do it here. I'll do it.
You'll do it with me. It's hard. It's 20 minutes and it's only 3 workouts, but you have to do as many reps as possible.
Oh, and then you want to do TikTok?
Yeah.
Wait, do I look weird though?
No. You look fine. I could film a TikTok of our workout. 10 jumping squats, 10 burpees, and 10 lunges. For 20 minutes. We'll do that after everything.
Okay.
But first, I just need to stretch a little, and then let's run a mile. I'm like halfway done, more than halfway done. I'm dying. My coach Asia got us dying over here. My mom's dying. Holy crap, we got it. Oh my gosh, okay. I did.
Let's do it. Like, tired.
Yeah. Okay. That workout, okay, so it's 20 minutes long and you do 10 squats, 10 burpees, and 10 lunges. But you just keep repeating each set until you hit 20 minutes. It was Like, I'm definitely gonna be sore tomorrow, but that was fire. I feel so good. We're gonna finish up on here and then head home. Hey guys, I just want to take a quick break from this video, and obviously I'm back in my apartment. I just want to thank Decenio for sponsoring this video. I'm so excited to be working with them. You guys know how much and how hard me and Riley have put our work into our apartment and our apartment decor, and it's just super bright in here. If you guys can't tell, there's so many colors. We don't really have a color scheme. Yeah, Decenio makes it's so easy to wherever you're living, your dorm. I know it's back to school season, so everyone's trying to like figure out their living space, and Decenio really helps you make your place feel unique and like however you want it. And I recently picked out a bunch of prints and cute colors for me and Riley's apartment, and I want to show you guys. And before I show you everything, I want you guys to know that you can use my code MarySturgi for 45% off discount on prints and 10% off on frames. And it's valid until July 31st, and the code includes personalized prints plus canvas. Okay, like I said, there's just so many colors that go into me and Riley's apartment, and I just like picked out like happy colors and stuff to brighten it up because I like it bright in here. Okay, so I put in our little corner by our couch, which we had a white cover on here, but it got a little dirty. So you can see that like the pink and the blue like ties everything together right here. Just like even that picture frame, like without it, I feel like it would look a little bland, but that just like completes this look over here. As you can see, don't mind my little trophy. That trophy's from UCA, stunt off. But this is all from Decenio. So you can see we have some artwork over here. These two frames over here and these two frames over here, they're like a gold frame. So I think the gold like ties everything in, especially like the trophy. But we do have some like gold silverware and all that stuff. So that's why I picked out the gold frames. But yeah, these two frames we're gonna put up there eventually when we have time. But like for right now, I think that looks good. And then obviously we have these two big frames on the side. Literally look how pretty and cute and unique. Decenio is also super affordable if that's what you guys are going for. And I know like decor, apartment decor, dorm decor, room decor can be super expensive. I just wanted to interrupt this video and stay tuned for all the back to school content and vlogs. But let's get back into this video. Love you guys. I'm home now. It's 11:11. Oh, it's 11:11. Made my oats, peanut butter, blueberries, same thing. Just gonna eat this. I make my coffee. First thing, fill it with ice. Then, this is the trick. Little milk on the bottom. Do you want to ride? Okay. And then you put this right here. Lock it into place. Oh, I think wait, does that mean I have to wait for it to heat up? Okay, just wait 1 second, we can stop it. While that's going, this. Okay, look, Mom. This way. And that, look at the coloring. Little more ice. Okay. Then this is the best almond milk. Like, don't get any other one. Then this is the best part. You gotta get vegan coconut whipped cream. Shake it. Perfect. Ooh. Oh. Mix. You have to mix it or it's not gonna taste good, at least. Okay, should we try? Strong.
Strong.
It's good though. Look at it. Do you want to try? Literally embarrassed with my skin right now, but It's like an hour later from when I last filmed my breakfast. I changed. I'm still like sweaty from my workout, but I'm actually going back to the track right now. If you guys don't know, I did like my summer workout for cheer and stuff this morning, and my brother, Mason, he's a basketball player at Greensboro College in North Carolina, and he also has summer workouts, and he has to run a 5:30 mile, which I don't even, like, how do you do that? I was literally at 5 minutes today on my 3rd lap. So we're gonna go, my whole we're gonna go watch him. He's probably not gonna get 5:30 today, but like, we're gonna be there to support and cheer him on. I don't even know, like, I just really wanna watch him, and I feel like it'd be fun, and I wanna see if he can do it. But yeah, going back to the track, I just put like this Bama tank on in black shorts. It's a whole different outfit because I was so sweaty.
Go! He's gonna fall. Come on! What is it? 542!
I love the color. Whoa. Whoa. Oh my gosh. Look at that. This is the coolest car wash. Where are we, Mom?
We have to wait for Mace.
South Block. You do you. Actually, wait. Protein. I think I got that. Should I get regular or? Okay. Plant.
You want peanut butter?
Sleeping?
Add spinach. No almond butter. No agave.
Have a good one. I don't want.
Taste test.
I'm worried that you might not like it, so I think I should have taken.
In this smoothie, guys, there's spinach, blueberries, banana, mangoes, no sugar, no agave, and plant protein. Oh, Mom, that's so cute. Okay, so what? It's cookie.
It's a cookie base,
Okay.
sugar cookie base with vanilla icing and blueberries and raspberries.
That's so cute. It looks like the American flag. Okay, smile.
Oh, Exy is lightning and thunder.
Oh, that's actually really cute. So cute. This one's mine.
Yeah, I can use those.
Okay. Oh yeah.
Is yours good?
I'm excited.
up the TV for something for us to watch.
Okay guys, we went to Sweet Green for dinner. We just picked it up and we're gonna eat it here at home. But I'm so excited. I haven't had Sweet Green in a while. And my bowl, see, they break.
No.
Can I have a regular fork? Oh. I got splendid greens, romaine lettuce, broccoli, carrots, cucumber, avocado, hummus, sweet potato, and tofu. Oh, and I got an olipop. So good. I'm gonna mix it up, we're gonna eat and watch TV.
Dear Lord, thank you for blessing us to be able to go out and get this good food. help it nourish our bodies. And we are so thankful for you and for blessing our family. Keep us all safe. Amen.
Amen.
So,
Okay, once again, forgot to end the vlog, but I'm here back at Bama. I just wanted to end the vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed my last vlog in Virginia. I'm so excited for all the college content now, but I love you guys so much, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. XOXO, you're amazing, beautiful, perfect. Yes.